Unlocking new opportunities. Chittoor collector promotes poultry and dairy farming. Sumit Kumar, the District Collector of Chittoor, is urging farmers to broaden their horizons beyond traditional agriculture and tap into the promising potential of poultry and dairy farming. In a recent meeting held on Thursday with farmers and officials from the Animal Husbandry Department, he highlighted the growing employment and income opportunities in these sectors. The collector emphasized that farmers interested in poultry farming will receive hands-on training from seasoned poultry experts, coordinated with the National Egg Coordination Committee, NECC. To make this dream feasible, the government is actively working with bank officials to facilitate easy access to loans for those ready to set up their poultry farms. Sumit Kumar also called on interested farmers to prepare a detailed project report, DPR, as a step towards their new ventures. Officials have been tasked with compiling a list of aspiring investors in poultry and dairy, assuring them of discussions with financial institutions to secure necessary funding. Representing NECC, Executive Committee member Ramesh shared encouraging words, stressing that success in these sectors comes to those who truly commit. He pledged full support for motivated farmers eager to dive into this rewarding business. This new push opens exciting doors for Chittoor's farming community to strengthen their livelihoods and contribute to a thriving local economy.